सर्व स्वीकारणी साधना दाता, कृपा करो गुरु मैया। भव सागर मां तू ही ज शाता, पार उतारो मुझ नैया। वीर नवारस आपो परम रस, स्पर्शे छे तारो प्रेम मने। जय जय गुरुदेव वाला गुरुदेव, अर्पू सगळू मंगे। जय जय गुरुदेव प्यारा गुरुदेव, रंगी दो प्रभु ना रंगे। वीर नवारस आपो परम रस, स्पर्शे छे तारो प्रेम मने। जय जय गुरुदेव वाला गुरुदेव, अर्पू सगळू मंगे। जय जय गुरुदेव प्यारा गुरुदेव, रंगी दो प्रभु ना रंगे।
તારો વાલ છે કેવો મજાનો, ગુણ વૈભવનો તું ખજાનો। ભીતર લગાવી ડૂબકી, જગતી રહે તું ન્યારો। નિર્મળ હૃદયનો સ્વામી, સૌ જીવને તું પ્યારો। તુજ વદન કમલનું સ્મિત સહુને મોહે, સ્વાનુભૂતિનો શિરતાજ થઈને સોહે।
Good morning, everyone. This is World Times Today, and we have the latest business headlines for you. Let's start with the first one. Satya Sundar Mehta arrived in Mumbai. He is the CEO of RoboForce, and he arrived in his famous solar-powered private jet. He reportedly has taken 2 weeks of vacation to spend time with a guru in India. The RoboForce spokesperson that we contacted said it was a personal visit, and he was there to meet a highly respected Jain monk, but did not provide any further details.
I'm here to see Acharya Anubhav Ratna Maharaj ji. I have an appointment with him.
आपका नाम क्या है साहब जी?
Satya Sundar Mehta.
सत्य और सुंदर दोनों? सत्य नडेला और सुंदर पिचाई को मिक्स करके रखा है नाम क्या? ठीक है, चलो मैं आपको ले चलता हूँ।
इच्छामि खमासमनो वन्दिम जानुजय निस्सिहियाय मध्येन वन्दामि। इच्छा कायन संदिस भगवान अभुत्योमि अभिंतर रायम खामयो इच्छम खाममि रायम। जंग किंची अपत्यम परपत्यम बत्ते पाने विनय व्यय वच्चे आलावे संलावे उच्चासने समासने अंतर्भाषाए उवरी भाषाए जंकिंची मज्ज विनयो परिहीनम सुमम व आयरम वा तुभ्य जानः हम न जानमि तस्म इच्छामि दुर्लभम। इच्छामि खमासमनो वन्दिम जाय निस्सिहियाय मध्येन वन्दामि। Acharya Marsad. I'm a third generation Jain born in the US. My name is Satya Sundar, and I'm here to seek your advice. I too grew up in Detroit and went to the Jain Pathshala there, which is where I had first heard about you. Weren't you working with a high position in a big company called Salesforce 30 years back, when you all of a sudden, at the young age of 30, decided to leave the US and take Diksha? I need your help. I'm devastated. I have some questions for you. Actually, a lot of questions for you. Please help me.
First, close your eyes and recite the Namaskar Maha Mantra after me. It is the best antidote for the troubled mind and a bruised heart.
Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ayariyanam, Namo Uvajayanam, Namo Loe Savasahunam, Eso Panchanamukaro, Savvapavanasano, Mangalanam Cha Sabdesim, Padamam Havai Mangalam.
My life is a mess. I'm the CEO of a huge company, and everything seems to be going great. But, Pujyashri, can I ask you something? Why did you leave your job when everything seemed to be going fine? I don't understand. Did something happen?
When I look back in the past, it is like another lifetime. Let me tell you what happened.
Oh my god, I'm so stressed. How am I gonna handle these difficult situations of college life? I feel like everything's out of control and I'm losing it. And no one can help me, not my friends or my family. Who could I reach out to for help?
ऋषि બેટા કેમ છે તું બધું ઓલરાઈટ છે ને?
Mummy, I'm overwhelmed. I don't know if I'm capable of handling these. 2 computer science exams, 1 economics term paper due, sitar concert on Saturday. I'm the lead for the RAS team and we have to do well. No time for practice and people backing out constantly. YJA folks want me to help plan the upcoming retreat. And on top of all this constant friction in our family, constant arguments. I can't bear this anymore, Mummy. This life is useless. I just want to end my life.
હે ભગવાન. લિસન ઋષિ, બધું બરાબર થઈ જશે. થિંક અબાઉટ આપણા મહાવીર સ્વામી ભગવાન. How many upsarga અને પરિસહ happened, but he continued steadfastly. મેરુ પર્વત જેવા થઈ ગયા, એકદમ unshakable. I am also stressed with workplace issues, all the housework, and no one to help at all. But I'm not blaming anyone, as it is my past karma. પણ તું આ બધું કેમ વિચારે છે બેટા?
I cannot bear it anymore. There's no one to lean on. Relationships are just a show.
ઋષિ, મને હવે તારું બહુ ટેન્શન થાય છે. Shall I drive to Ann Arbor or you are coming home?
Mummy.
ઋષિ બેટા, સ્ટડી ક્લાસમાં શીખડાવે છે ને કે જ્યારે ખૂબ ઓવરવેલ્મ થઈ જઈએ તો નવકાર મંત્ર ગણવાના. એક કામ કરીએ, લેટ મી કોન્ફરન્સ ઇન ભાવના આંટી, યોર સ્ટડી ક્લાસ ટીચર એન્ડ અવર કલ્યાણ મિત્ર. She is an expert at solving such worldly problems using dharmic approach.
Sunita, let me talk to Rishi. Betu, listen. Remember in study class we had talked about the sansar. It is dukh ruve, dukh phale, dukhanu bande. It is the source of sorrows. It results in sorrows, and it is a chain reaction of sorrows. Relationships are delicate and dependent on our past karmas. The pursuit of for happiness in the sansar is a lost battle. But I can understand how you feel.
Yes, Auntie, but this life is worthless.
અરે બેટુ, આવું કેમ કહે છે? ઋષિ, you need a break from everything. Why don't you come over to India and go to Sahibji that your mama had introduced you to last time? યાદ છે ને, પૂજ્ય વિરાગ રત્ન મારા સાહેબ?
Ha, I remember Param Puja Virag Ratna Maharaj Sahib. He was so kind and loving.
ઋષિ, ચાલ આપણે મહારાજ સાહેબના દર્શન કરી આવીએ.
અરે ના ના, મને તો બહુ ડર લાગે છે.
એમાં ડરવાનું શું? મહારાજ સાહેબને ત્યાં જવાનું, વંદન કરવાના, આશીર્વાદ લેવાના અને વાસ્કેટ લખાવાનું. ચાલ આપણે જઈ આવીએ. મહારાજ સાહેબ, આ મારો ભણ્યો અમેરિકામાં ડિટ્રોઇટ સંઘમાં રહે છે અને દરરોજ સવારે સેવા પૂજા કરવા દેરાસર જાય છે અને સૂત્રો શીખવા માટે પાઠશાળા પણ જાય છે.
બેટા, તને ચૈત્ય વંદન વિધિ માટેના સૂત્રો અને સ્તવન આવડે છે?
હા, એટલે થોડા થોડા આવડે છે, પણ બધા નથી આવડતા.
તો તું રોજ સવારે અહીં આવજે અને અમારી પાસેથી 4-5 ગાથા લઈને મુખપાઠ કરજે.
જી સાહેબજી.
So, that was your first introduction to Guru Maharaj Sahib Ji?
In hindsight, my biggest stroke of luck was when I went to Mama's house and he almost forced me to go with him for darshan of Maharaj Sahib in the local upashray. Now that I think about the event, it seems odd that I had so many reservations. Don't know what was going on in my head. Like maybe, was I afraid that he will ask me to sit in Padmasana while balancing a bowl of water on my head? Maybe I should go ask you to do that before we go further.
Yeah, I'm glad that you won't ask me to do that. Or go have a staring contest with the goat outside.
Okay, so going back to your college incident, what happened afterwards?
Ha, I remember Param Puja Virag Ratna Maharaj Sahib. He was so kind and loving.
બસ તો પછી, as soon as your exam finish this week, take a break and come here. Fresh થઈ જઈશ. Being in Maharaj Sahib presence will just calm you down. પછી બધું હેન્ડલ કરી શકાશે.
And then?
Even though I went reluctantly to Maharaj Sahib with Mama, little did I realize that at a subconscious level, he left some sort of deep imprint on me. So, when I was stressed out and almost wanted to end my life, on the advice of Bhavna Ben, I took a year off from the mundane world and decided to visit him. Those 9 months marked the most incredible period of my life up to that point.
મ્યુઝિક ગમે છે? ગાવાનું ગમે છે?
Yes, I like singing and learning it.
ચાલ હું તને એક સરસ સ્તવન શીખવાડું.
समरथ साहिब समता दरियो गिरो चिनपति गुणमणि भरियो नापी नरेसर नंदन दीठो मारे नयने अमिय पैठो समरथ साहिब समता दरियो.
मुझ घर आंगणे सुर तारी फरियो करे चिंता मणि आवी मरियो आंगणे अमियना में हवूठा समकीत दृष्टि सुरसावितूठा समरथ साहिब समता दरियो. मुझ मंदिर सुरधेणु बंधाणी प्रभु शुवाधि प्रीति पुराणी काम कलश पण सामो आयो प्रभु देखी में बहु सुख पायो समरथ साहिब समता दरियो.
સાહેબજી તમને ઇંગ્લિશ આવડે છે?
ઇંગ્લિશ? Kitty cat, where have you been? I have been to London to look at the Queen. Kitty cat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair.
સાહેબજી આ તો નાના બાળકોની નર્સરી રાઇમ છે.
Cat. Kitty went to London for what?
To see the Queen.
બરોબર. ને but what did she do after going there? જેની મહિમા એની રુચિ, જેવી રુચિ એવી પ્રવૃત્તિ. આપણને ધર્મનો મહિમા છે. આપણને ધર્મની ખરી રુચિ હશે તો આપણે ગમે ત્યાં હશું પણ ધર્મને જ મનમાં રાખીશું. નહીં તો દેરાસરમાં પણ આજુબાજુ ડફોરિયા મારશું. Like Kitty Cat, who didn't see the Queen but instead put her उपयोग in the mouse. रुचि अनुवाई वीर्य.
વાહ ગુરુદેવ, વાહ સાહેબજી.
ચાલો કાલે વહેલી સવારે વિહાર છે.
गुरु आशीष फरी मुझ सारी भवनी भावठ दूर निवारी नयन मिलावे मिलियो स्वामी तो मैं सहेजे मुक्ति ज पामी समरथ साहिब समता दरियो।
આપણને ધર્મનો મહિમા છે. આપણને ધર્મની ખરી રુચિ હશે તો આપણે ગમે ત્યાં હશું પણ ધર્મને જ મનમાં રાખીશું. નહીં તો દેરાસરમાં પણ આજુબાજુ ડફોરિયા મારશું. રુચિ अनुवाई वीर्य।
क्या सोवे तन मठ में अवधू, क्या सोवे तन मठ में जाग विलोकन घट में अवधू, क्या सोवे तन मठ में अवधू, क्या सोवे तन मठ में।
मनुष्य भवनी सार्थकता is not just about earning lot of money and not just about having family.
Gurudev, then what should be the purpose of my life?
गुणोनी वृद्धि अने दोषोनी शुद्धि, गुणोनी वृद्धि अने दोषोनी शुद्धि, गुणोनी वृद्धि अने दोषोनी शुद्धि विचारजे। ચાલ હવે વિહાર માટે મોડું થાય છે।
या घट भीतर बाग बगीचे, या घट भीतर बाग बगीचे, याही में सिरजनहारा, याही में सिरजनहारा। ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा। या घट भीतर बाग बगीचे, या घट भीतर बाग बगीचे, याही में सिरजनहारा, याही में सिरजनहारा। घट भीतर हीरा मोती, या घट भीतर हीरा मोती, याही में परखन हारा, याही में परखन हारा। ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा, ढूंढे रे ढूंढे अंधियारा। या घट भीतर अनहद बाजे रे, या घट भीतर अनहद बाजे रे, याही में उठन फवारा, याही में उठन फवारा। ता घट भीतर सात समंदर, ता घट भीतर सात समंदर, याही में 9 लख तारा, लख तारा, याही में 9 लख तारा, लख तारा। ढूंढे
I felt it was the starting point of Prabhu's Kripa on me. Although stating even this way is not quite true. Prabhu's Kripa was always showering on me. It is always showering on all of us. Tithaya Rame Pasyantu. But that was the first time I could open myself to catch it, to feel it, remove the raincoat of ego that was blocking it.
That's amazing. So I have kids growing up too. How are the seeds of Dharma sown in you at a young age?
ઋષિ બેટા, વેર આર યુ? જો હું શું લાવ્યો છું તારા માટે.
ના હું ક્યાં છું?
જો હું તારા માટે બુંદીના લાડુ, ચેવડો, સેવા પૂજાના કપડા લાવ્યો છું અને તને ગમશે. તું હવે બહાર આવી જા.
તમે આ છોકરાને તમારા લાડ પ્યારથી બગાડી રહ્યા છો.
કાલે રવિવારે પૂજામાં તું આ કપડાં પહેરજે અને કાલે ગુરુ ભગવંતનું વ્યાખ્યાન પણ છે.
પણ ઋષિને વ્યાખ્યાનમાં શું ખબર પડશે?
જૈનવાણી તો કાને પડશે ને. મહાત્માના દર્શન અને એના પવિત્ર વાઇબ્રેશન પણ એને મળશે. ભવિષ્યમાં સાધુ ભગવંતો પ્રત્યે સદભાવ અને આકર્ષણ આવશે તો એનો ભાવ લેખે લાગશે.
હા, એ વાત તો તમારી સાચી. પણ એવું ન થાય કે મારી દીકરીને એકલી મૂકીને દીક્ષા લઈ લે?
અરે તું પણ, દીક્ષા એટલી સસ્તી છે. ચત્તારી પરમંગણી તુલ્લાહણીય જંતુનો માણુ સત્તમ સુઈ સદ્દા સંજમમી યવીર્યમ. મનુષ્ય ભાવ દુર્લભ છે. ધર્મનું શ્રવણ એના પીઠથી પણ દુર્લભ છે. એની શ્રદ્ધા હજુ પણ દુર્લભ છે. અને સંયમનું વીર્ય ફોરવવું, સંયમ લેવું દુર્લભથી પણ વધારે દુર્લભ છે.
નાની, તમે કેકાની સ્તુતિ હવે ગાશો? મને બહુ ગમે છે.
જો જરૂર બેટા, ચાલો.
અંતરમાં પ્રભુ ઓળખી માંગો આત્મ તત્વ, કરે પ્રભુ પરમ કૃપા, આપે શ્રદ્ધા તત્વ. નિજ સુખનો રાગી કરે વિભાગ વિરામ, અંતર નિર્મલતા કરે થાતું સ્વભાવનું ઠામ. પુદ્ગલાનંદ નિવારજો માંગો અનુપમ એજ, દાતારી ભગવાન છો આપો આત્મ તેજ. દાતારી ભગવાન છો આપો આત્મ તેજ.
ऋषि बेटा ચાલો, ગુજરાતી ક્લાસ ટાઈમ.
નો, આઈ વોન્ટ ટુ પ્લે.
ઋષિ, શું કીધું બેટા? ગુજરાતીમાં બોલતો.
ઓકે, મને રમવું છે.
ઋષિ, ચાલ તો ગુજરાતી શીખીએ. આ બોલ. ક ફોર કબૂતર.
ક ફોર કબૂતર.
ખ ફોર ખડિયો.
ખ ફોર ખડિયો.
ગ ફોર ગણપતિ.
ગ ફોર ગણપતિ.
ઘ ફોર ઘડિયાળ. ઊભો તો રે.
Rishi, I told you not to play in the snow.
But why?
Beta, you will fall sick.
But last time I played in the snow, I did not get sick.
Beta, snow and water bodies have ekindriya genes, that is one-sensed gene. When we play with those water-bodied beings, They are so delicate that they die. Do you want to hurt them?
No.
તો પછી શું પાણી નહીં વાપરવાનું?
Unfortunately, we have to use water. But we cannot enjoy playing with one-sensed jeeves. How can we have fun when they are getting hurt? Right, Rishi?
જયવંતુ દે દીપ્યમાન અમારા વીરનું જીન શાસનમ મને ગર્વ છે મારું ભાગ્ય છે મને સાંપડ્યું વીર શાસનમ
જયવંતુ દે દીપ્યમાન અમારા વીરનું જીન શાસનમ મને ગર્વ છે મારું ભાગ્ય છે મને સાંપડ્યું વીર શાસનમ
એ છે અમ ભાગ્ય વિધાતા એની ગૌરવશાળી ગાથા પ્રણ લઈએ ઊંચી રાખશું એની પરમ પવિત્ર પતાકા જયવંતુ દે દીપ્યમાન આ મારા વીરનું જીન શાસનમ મને ગર્વ છે મારું ભાગ્ય છે મને સાંપડ્યું વીર શાસનમ
જયવંતુ દે દીપ્યમાન અમારા વીરનું જીન શાસનમ મને ગર્વ છે મારું ભાગ્ય છે મને સાંપડ્યું વીર શાસનમ
અનંતોપકારી તીર્થંકર શાસનને સ્થાપે
ચતુર વિદુષી સંઘની આગળ દેશના એ આપે
જીનવાણીનું શ્રવણ કરતા નર નારી પામે
પ્રભુએ ચીંધ્યા માર્ગ ચાલી પહોંચે મોક્ષ ધામે
જીન વચનોને શિરધારી सम्यक दर्शन अनुसारी शासन सबुटोए प्रज्वलित करी जिन शासननी खुमारी जयवंतु दे दीप्यमान आमारा वीरनु जिन शासनम मने गर्व छे मारू
ऋषि बेटा હવે રાત પડી ગઈ, ચલો હવે સૂઈ જઈએ.
Yes, my favorite time. બા ચલો આપણે હવે સ્ટોરી ટાઈમ કરીએ.
હા ચલો.
But I'm hungry. Let me eat some ice cream.
આજે 14 છે, રાતના ખવાય નહીં બેટા.
મને આઈસ્ક્રીમ જ ભાવે.
Rishi, beta, Ba is absolutely right. It's sleeping time. મમ્મી, તમે ઋષિને ઓલી પ્રભાંજના સતીની વાર્તા કરો ને.
હા,
એને બહુ ગમે છે. કેમ
હા.
ઋષિ?
ચલો.
ચાલો.
એક રાજકુમારી હતી પ્રભાંજના. એના લગ્ન થવાના હતા. એને 1000 સખીઓ હતી. સખીઓ એટલે ફ્રેન્ડ્સ. એ લગ્નના દિવસે તૈયાર થઈ અને લગ્ન મંડપ તરફ જતી હતી. ત્યારે વચમાં એને યાદ આવ્યું કે ચાલો ઉપાશ્રય જઈ સાધ્વીજી મહારાજના દર્શન કરી વંદન કરી અને એમના આશીર્વાદ લઈ લઈએ.
Still at it, Meteor? It looks like you're wrestling with fractions. Is that thing even solvable? Or are you just staring at an abyss of numbers?
It would be solvable if you were not breathing so loudly and telling dumb jokes.
Hey, my jokes are comedic gold. Speaking of which, what does an elephant put his luggage in when he goes on vacation?
I don't know and I don't care. What I need to figure out is if x equals 7 or -2. Not where an elephant puts his toothbrush.
His trunk. Get it? His trunk. Maybe you should pack your books in a trunk and move to your room.
It would be so much easier to focus if you moved into another room.
But it's way more fun teasing you. Hey, I've got another joke for you. Why did the student eat his homework?
I don't know and I don't care.
Because the teacher told him it was a piece of cake. Get it?
Rishi, leave him alone.
Hey, I've one for you. One day, a Buddhist monk walks into a pizza store and asks the man at the register for a pizza with all the toppings. The man asks why, and the Buddhist monk replies by saying that he wants to embody the value of non-discrimination and reject none. And then he pays with a $50 bill and asks for change.
The pizza guy does not give him change, but replies,
That change comes from within.
Rishi, did you started teasing again? How many times we told you you are his big brother? Act like a big brother. Don't tease him all the time. Take care of him.
ઋષિ, આ તો તારું રોજનું થયું છે. તું રોજે મિહિરને ચીડવે છે. તું તો કહે છે કે તારે તો ઝૂ કીપર બનવું છે. You are not able to take care of your younger brother. How will you take care of so many animals?
Mom, I love animals. But I can also take care of you too. But you just gotta walk on 4 legs.
Yay, got a pencil.
Hello kids, come on, let's have a dinner.
You all must be very hungry. We have a delicious food today.
Uncle, Auntie, I will head out now. Thank you for inviting me. It was really nice seeing you guys. And happy birthday, Pranav.
Hey buddy, listen. I know that for the past few times that you've been here, we couldn't serve you vegetarian food. And I'm really sorry about that.
Beta, we have been watching you since your childhood. You're such a good kid. You have never complained about the food not being vegetarian.
Yes, Rishi, we are impressed with how strong with your principles.
Today, we have decided to make everything Jain and vegetarian. And even the vegan cake with no dairy and no egg. Please have a dinner with us.
This is so sweet and thoughtful of you. You took the time to understand and make Jain food for me and everyone else. I will definitely tell my mom. She'll be so thrilled.
That's a strong foundation you had. But how did you avoid things like drugs, dating, and guns in school and college.
It wasn't easy, but the foundation built by my Sansaric grandparents and parents, my study group teachers, Mahinder Bhai Guruji and Bhavna Ben, all played a role. Ultimately, it was Dev Guru Krupa. And only Dev Guru Krupa saved me.
Team, we're here for the most competitive Ras Garba in the US. Let's work on it. Coordination is key. Synchrony is key.
Rishi, you excel in everything you do. How come you haven't found your soulmate yet?
I'm not really interested in that for now. But if someone is truly up to my standards, then I'll go in that direction.
But there's so many good girls in Araska, and you're so popular.
Yes, but how long will the charm and beauty last? Relationships that seem eternal for now are so fragile, like water droplets on a blade of grass, or snowflakes falling on my hand. They look pretty for now, but how long will it actually last? I have so many close friends, but the emptiness within. The emptiness within.
Interesting. So it's not like you were a nerd. Yet, you still managed to stay afloat in the dirty swamp of college and professional life.
The company of like-minded friends helped a lot. I was lucky to be involved with Jane Alert USA, a network of students and professionals. Also, when I moved to Indiana while working for Salesforce, I was lucky to find Pushpak Bhai and his family. He was like an older brother to me. We would do Chaudas Pratikraman together, and I was very close to his kids, who looked up to me.
So you had a safety net of Kalyan Mitras. That's wonderful. So, do you recall any other specific events that helped you deepen the spiritual foundation?
ऋषि બેટા જો આ હેતાબેન તને યાદ છે ને આપણા દેરાસરમાં આવેલા હેતાબેન દીક્ષા લેવાના છે.
હા મમ્મી, મને યાદ છે. I really want to talk to her.
તમે બે બેસીને વાતો કરો. હું કિચનમાં જરા જમવાનાની તૈયારી કરી આવું. આવો હેતાબેન.
જેલર બુક કેવી લાગી?
It's really good. I'm rereading it right now. Everybody around me is a jailer and they're fulfilling their duties based off of their karma. I feel like everything is related to karma, good or bad, and I have to calmly go through my situations. I can't blame anybody. Hey Tabin, I've been thinking a lot about what you're doing. You're really going to take Diksha? I mean, why would anyone willingly give up everything? Friends, family, pleasures?
It's a great question, Rishi. And tell you the truth, it is not an easy decision. but it comes with a deep desire for inner truth and peace.
Yes, but isn't that what life is all about? The experiences, the fun, the friends, the parties. How could you choose to give all of that up?
My Guruni, Pujya Daksh Rekha Shriji Maharaj Sahib, narrated to me the story about Sati Prabhanjana, on how she got enlightened. The Sajjai of Prabhanjana.
That name sounds familiar.
Yes, it's a very powerful story of a princess whose wedding procession was passing by the upashray of her Guruni. She thought, let me take her blessings before getting married. Let me share with you some of the poignant lines.
जगहित गारी जिनेश कन्या की जेत सुआदि श्री सुज्ञानी कन्या सांभर हित उपदेश रे सुज्ञानी कन्या सांभर हित उपदेश खरड़ी ने जे धोए रे कन्या देह नहीं श्रेष्ठाचार रे रत्न त्रयी साधन करो कन्या मोहाधीनता वार रे सुज्ञानी कन्या सांभर हित उपदेश सुज्ञानी कन्या सांभर हित उपदेश भव ममता सवी जीव थीरे अप्पा माता पिता भ्राता सुतरि अप्पा पाम्या सर्व संबंध पुत्र वधु प्रतिबंध रे सुज्ञानी अप्पा सांभर हित उपदेश शिव संबंध कहूँ इहरे अप्पा शत्रु मित्र पण थाय मित्र शत्रुता वली लहेरे अप्पा इम संसार स्वभाव रे सुज्ञानी अप्पा सांभर हित उपदेश सुज्ञानी अप्पा सांभर हित उपदेश.
Didi, you will have to explain all of this to me.
Sure. If you say, first let me indulge in all the pleasurable activities and then I will remorse, is like first getting dirty and then taking a bath. Intelligent people do not act like that. Relationships of one lifetime, when compared against the infinite past, is such an extremely small portion of time.
That makes sense, but mom, dad, siblings, friends, aren't they all also a source of solace?
Actually, Rishi, in our infinite wanderings of time, we have had all kind of relationships with every living being. So many times we believe firmly that I cannot live without my husband or I cannot live without my wife. But wait until death gives you a new dress, a new body, and a whole new set of new relatives. You have no grief over the relatives from the past. Moreover, friends from this life can become your enemies next, or enemies from your past can become your best friends today. All relationships in this world are so fleeting and rooted only in self-centeredness.
I told my twin brother the same thing I am telling you, Rishi.
That's a pretty grim picture you're painting.
Yes, that is true. However, there is a light at the end of the tunnel.
There is? What is it?
Yeah, that is what Prabhanjana's Guruni explained to her. With the teachings of Bhagwan and the blessings of Guru, when we start looking inward, we find the treasure within us, our true nature, Purnanandi, eternal knowledge and bliss.
Wow. Is it really possible for mere mortals to reach that state?
Indeed, that is the purpose of human existence, experiencing one's true nature, Swanubhuti. Swanubhuti.
Thank you for sharing all of this. I have a hectic week at work ahead, but I greatly enjoyed our conversation. Good luck, Didi. I hope to one day get inspired by you. I love Dharmic Kriya Puja and Samaik and Pratikraman, but I also like socializing with friends and arranging events with clubs and dancing, so I feel like Diksha is a bit far for me.
એટલે સંસાર પણ ગમે છે અને ધર્મ પણ ગમે છે. Have you heard what Bhakti Yogacharya often quotes? પ્રેમની ગલી અતિ સાંકડી રે, તામે દો ના સમાય. It's either your love for sansar or your love for Prabhu. You got to choose one. You cannot truly love both.
Didi, what do you think would be a good next step for my spiritual journey?
Do one thing. Go to India and stay with your Guru Maharaj Sahib for few days. એમની સાથે સત્સંગ કર, એમની ઓરામાં રહે. The one who has experienced the Sat, the truth, that will solve your dilemma
and illuminate the path forward.
Okay, Didi, I will give this some serious thought. Please bless me before you leave.
I now understand why a youth from the US, without much familiarity with Sadhu Bhagwans, would decide to stay with Viraj Ratna Marsad. And you shared about that amazing experience already. But what was stopping you from taking Diksha then?
I still was on the fence. My sansaric father and relatives were searching for a compatible marriage partner, and they did find a good dharmic girl. At the time, I also thought she was compatible, but
Rishi, beta taro su opinion છે? What did you think about that girl? મને તો એ છોકરી બહુ જ ડાઈ લાગી.
Yes, she'll cooperate with my dharmic activities, but we can think about it later. Right now I'm driving.
ઓકે, ભલે. સારું. તો ચાલો, આવજે.
Dad. I just got into an accident.
What? તારો એક્સિડન્ટ થયો છે? Are you okay? તને વાગ્યું તો નથી ને?
No, Dad. I'm okay, but it looks like my car got totaled.
હું આવું છું તને લેવા. Okay, bye.
Oh, how uncertain is life. Today, I almost just got killed. If I don't wake up, my bhav will be wasted.
That is the purpose of human existence. Experiencing one's true nature. Swanubhuti. Swanubhuti.
स्वजनों पण जे बहु हितकारी प्रीति रसे मनहारी तेने पण ना कोई बचावे मरण दशा जब आवे विनय तु साध जे रे श्री जी न धर्मनु शरणु हृदये सांध जे.
Sahib ji, I found the dharmic girl of my choice, but I'm in a dilemma. I feel that Diksha is a path for me rather than a married life. But I have some doubts. Sahib ji, is Anubhati possible in this bhav?
દુઃખનું મૂળ અજ્ઞાન છે. અજ્ઞાન એટલે ઓછું જ્ઞાન નહીં, પણ હું કોણ છું એનું અજ્ઞાન. તેથી બહારમાં જ આકર્ષણ થયા કરે અને આપણો ઉપયોગ મલિન થાય છે.
Acha, so because of this attachment, our gyan or upyog becomes dirty or impure?
હા, એટેચમેન્ટ 3 જાતના. કોઈક વસ્તુ કે જગ્યા સારી લાગે, પત્ની પુત્ર પરિવાર મારા લાગે.
Yes, Sahib ji. These feelings of rag and dvesh, attraction and hatred, likes and dislikes, lead to bindings of lots of karma.
હા, but the third one is most dangerous. Who am I? એટલે કે મારી એકમેકતા કોની સાથે છે? આ શરીર, મારા ભાવો, મારા વિચારો, આ બધામાં હું છું કે પછી?
Okay, so where do I begin to feel this oneness? Like, who do I know to be the true me?
હા, ઉપયોગને ખોટા હું, મિથ્યા હું માંથી કાઢીને સાચા હું સાથે એલાઇન કરવાનો છે. અને સાંભળ,
કેમ કે હું એક શુદ્ધ સદા અરૂપી જ્ઞાન દર્શન મય ખરે કંઈ અન્ય તે મારું જરી પરમાણુ માત્ર નથી.
Absolutely. Now I understood.
સાધનાનો મર્મ આ જ છે. મારા સાચા હું, પૂર્ણ જ્ઞાન અને આનંદયુક્ત પરમાત્મ સ્વરૂપ પર શ્રદ્ધા રાખીને એની સાથે એકમેક થવાનું છે. કહો કે એને અનુભવવો છે અને એમાં સ્થિર રહેવાનું છે.
એ જ સ્વાનુભૂતિ છે, ખરું?
હા, અને તે માટે દીક્ષા એ હાઈવે છે. પ્રભુએ આપેલો શ્રેષ્ઠતમ માર્ગ છે. સંસારમાં રહીને સ્વાનુભૂતિ ઇમ્પોસિબલ નથી, પણ ખૂબ મુશ્કેલ છે. If your parent approves, you are fit to take Diksha.
सो कहिए सो पूछिए
અહીંયા આવજે ને, રીશને વાત કરવી છે.
હા ડેડી, શું છે?
હા, બોલ ઋષિ, શું કહેવું છે?
I want to pursue only those activities that will remove the darkness from my ignorance. I really have made up my mind to take Diksha.
What boy?
હવે મારે પરાયાત્રાએ જવું છે. I want to embark on the journey towards the Supreme.
Rishi, I know you stayed with the Guru Maharaj Sahib for several months when you took a break from your job, and we did Uddan together. But are you sure about living the lifestyle of sadhu for your entire life?
Dad, you, I, and all of us are looking for a lifestyle that is stress-free and happy. I've come to realize that despite having all of my needs fulfilled and enjoying numerous luxuries, I've always had this sense of persistent emptiness within me, a void that I see in all of us. However, whenever I look at Gurudev, he exudes a sense of ease and inner peace. His satisfaction isn't based on any external possessions or circumstances. Instead, it's deeply rooted within his own self. When I stayed with him and at Ubdan, I got a glimpse of this inner peace. બહુ વિચાર્યું છે મેં પ્રભુના માટે, હવે વિચારવું છે પ્રભુના માર્ગે. સંસારના રનવેથી ટેક ઓફ કરીને મારે ઉડવું છે સંયમના માર્ગે. I really have made up my mind to take Diksha.
Boy, are you sure? Remember all those fabulous hikes you used to take? Now who am I gonna go with, boy?
Mihir, there's plenty of Thari Palit songs and Tirth Yatras that we can do together, even after I take Diksha.
But I won't be able to call you boy.
Rishi, I completely support your decision. I am so happy today. I was always wishing that you follow Prabhu's path. I too wish that one day I can follow your footsteps.
बस आनंद छे ज्યાં बस आनंद छे ज्યાં लेश मात्र संक्लेश नहीं भ्रमणोनी यात्रानो तो अंत छे अनंत नहीं सर्व स्वीकारनी संयम यात्रा साधी अनंत छे वीर कही भ्रमणोनी यात्रानो तो अंत छे अनंत नहीं भ्रमणोनी यात्रानो तो अंत छे अनंत नहीं.
Time goes so fast.
Samayam goyam ma pamaye.
Indeed, Sahibji. And I forgot earlier, but I thought I'd mention this at the beginning. Today is your 36th Diksha Tithi. I thought there would be some grand Mahotsav or celebration to commemorate this important day.
Haha, that's why I came to this secluded place. Ekant, Maun, Svadhyay, Dhyan. What can be a bigger Mahotsav than this?
Gurudev, thank you so much for your precious time today. I'm so glad that the Svadhyay class that I attend has led me to you. I'm indebted to you. This was the best day of my life. And the most crucial lesson that I've learned, that it's important to stay connected with a Panch Mahavrakdhari Atmagnani Guru. Life throws several challenges at us, and Dharma is the most important pillar that strengthens, heals, and pushes us through all of these tough times. As a parent, I've learned that the foundational years of a child are the most important. Pathshala, mentors and teachers, and the friends we surround ourselves with are the strongest safety net. Oftentimes, parents are afraid that children will end up extremely dharmic. However, we should aim for the ideal, so we will get to average level at least. Not every child will take Diksha. However, they will end up assertive and self-confident about their Jain principles and not be afraid in moments of peer pressure. And the best thing I've learned is that the life of a Sanyami Sadhu Bhagwan is so peaceful, and such peace can only be achieved at the feet of a Sadguru, and I wish to have it.
A true Shravak Shravika is one that desires for this Sanyam. Whether they can or not is somewhat secondary, but that wish is what matters. In these very difficult times,
આ ઝંખના જીવને ટાળશે.
I would like to know more about your sadhana after Diksha. How did you become the Atmagnani Mahatma? From your Diksha to your Acharya Padvi. May I please come back tomorrow?
I'll be right back.
માર્ગ પ્રભુનો ચાહે તેને સ્વયં વિભુ મળી જાય. માર્ગ વિભુનો પામી જીવો સ્વયં પ્રભુ બની જાય. આત્મજીને પરમાત્મજી બનવાને ચાહું છું. બિંદુ છું પણ તુજ સિંધુમાં ભણવાને ચાહું છું. એક અભિપ્સા અંતર પ્રગટે સંયમધારી થાવું છે. મારે પરાયાત્રાએ જાવું છે. મારે શુદ્ધ સ્વરૂપી થવું છે. મારે ભવથી પાર ઉતરવું છે. સંયમધારી થવું છે. મારે પરાયાત્રાએ જાવું છે. મારે શુદ્ધ સ્વરૂપી થવું છે. મારે ભવથી પાર ઉતરવું છે. હુંનું હવે અસ્તિત્વ ટળજો. તમે જ ગુરુવર મનમાં વસજો. પ્રભુ આજ્ઞાનું પાલન કરતા મારા સગળા કર્મો બળજો.
Pranam and Jai Jinendra. It was quite an experience to watch movie of my son's life story and my role in it. Today, whatever progress I have made is mainly due to Swadhyay Varsita, which means reading 1 page a day for 400 days. My journey started with Sant Sudharas, which means 16 Bhavanas, followed by Samraditya Charitra, Jailer, and Jiv Vichar. Additionally, I also watched videos, YouTube videos like Jain Way of Cooking by Dipti Ben, through which I learned how to apply Jiv Vichar in our day-to-day life. This is how the scene in the movie about snow came into existence. My one request to all the viewers is to include some reading or studying in their daily routine. I hope with the blessings of Prabhu and my Guru Hitatma Rekha Sriji, shown as Heta Didi in the movie, I reach self-realization, Swanubhuti. I will now end with the prayer for the enlightenment of all the living beings. Sivamastu sarva jagata parahit nirata bhavantu bhutagana dosha prayantu nasam sarvatra sukhi bhavatu loka.
Pranam, Jai Jinendra. I hope you enjoyed the movie as much as I did. I want to very quickly give 3 main takeaways about Dharma from this movie. First, why Dharma? Dharma is nothing but a key that can help you unlock unlimited potential, happiness, and satisfaction in your life. No matter who you are, whether you are a parent, a sibling, a spouse, a student, or a teacher, an employee, or even a CEO, Dharma can help you attain great heights in each of your roles, no matter who you are. Then what is Dharma? Dharma is just how do you choose who you are? Who do you choose to be every single morning? It's your decision-making framework. Whether it's where do you go? What job do you take? How do you interact with the different people you meet every day? All of these involve Dharma. Dharma is not just the rituals, which are just very powerful tools that can help you integrate Dharma into your everyday life. So I know why I should do Dharma and what Dharma is, but how do I actually bring Dharma into my life? And for that, we need two simple things: good company and a good environment. And we get both of these things through the help of Kalyan Mitras, or friends who help ourselves, our virtues, attain great heights. So those can be your Pachala friends, your Pachala teachers, other members of the Jain community, those people who have attained heights in those specific virtues. And although this might be harder and less convenient, Guru Bhagwans in India can serve as the greatest Kalyan Mitras, because they bring a whole new perspective to life which you may never have known existed, just as what they did to me. And so with that, I would just like to say, I was very inspired by this movie. I hope that I can also attain the same heights as the Acharya Bhagwant. I would like all of your blessings for this, and I will end with the Sarvamangal. Sarvamangal Mangalyam Sarvakalyana Karanam Pradhanam Sarvadharmanam Jainam Jayati Shasanam.
धन्य दिवस ने धन्य तेरा जी हाँ हुआ तुझ दर्शन भेला चंद चकोरा मेहा मोरा तिम आम जाहू दर्शन तोरा समर्थ साहिब समता दरियो।